Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by validating prerequisites. Confirm you have vCenter or ESXi credentials and write access to the target data store. Once confirmed, locate the ISO on your local system and note its checksum and size so you can verify integrity after upload. Open the vSphere HTML5 client and connect to the host or vCenter managing the data store. This direct connection reduces permission surprises. Make sure the host has network access to your workstation if using Data Store browser upload. You're ready to begin the first actionable steps. You now use the Data Store browser to perform the upload. In vSphere client, select the host or cluster, open storage, then right-click the Data Store and choose Browse Files. This isolates the correct folder. Click Upload, choose Files, or drag and drop the ISO. Dragging is faster, but choose Files if you need precise control. Once transfer starts, monitor progress in the Recent Tasks pane to catch network stalls early. After completion, compute and compare the checksum to confirm the ISO arrived intact before attaching to a VM. You finish by attaching the ISO to your VM. Power off if required, edit the VM settings, choose the CD/DVD device, select Data Store ISO file, and browse to the uploaded image. Connect at power on. Once configured, power the VM and confirm the installer boots. If upload fails, try an alternate path. Use SCP to the ESXi host or the vSphere CLI and then move the file into the data store. Key troubleshooting tip: verify data store free space and file permissions first. Most failures are simple capacity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.